The ROG phone is amazing, a little bit on the costlier side, but it has so many unique features that people are willing to spend 50k for this phone. But the only concern is Black Crush. I thought let me clear out all the understanding or the misunderstanding that you have on the Black Crush issue, but make sure you are watching this video till the end. Welcome to All About Apps, and please subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed, and hit the like button if this video helped you. So you will be seeing this issue only at low brightness or at higher refresh rate, and the only time you will be seeing this is while watching movies and during a dark scene. It's been more than 2 months I have been using this phone, and till now I did not see this issue on YouTube at any brightness and at auto refresh rate. It did not make any difference watching the video on YouTube at 144Hz. At lowest brightness, I did see a red layer over the screen, probably the workaround for the Black Crush issue. The red layer gradually decreases as you increase the brightness. I also watched movies on Amazon Prime Videos, and I could see very less Black Crush even at lowest brightness with auto refresh rate. I did see the issue at 144Hz, but once I changed the refresh rate to auto, it was way too less. If you keep the brightness level near to 40%, you will not see the Black Crush issue on Prime Video. When I was watching movies on Hotstar, the issue was too much and it was very clearly visible at the lowest brightness level and at auto refresh rate. It became worse when I changed the refresh rate to 144Hz. When I increased the brightness level to near about 20%, I did not see any improvement, and also for the daylight scene I did see the issue at this brightness level. When I changed the brightness at 50%, I saw the issue was near about 50% gone, but the issue was there for some daylight scenes as well, and at 80% brightness it was completely gone. Now coming to Netflix, here at the lowest brightness during a dark scene it gets difficult to see the character's expression and sometimes not even the character, so you are actually forced to increase the brightness, and same is the case with Amazon Prime Video. Even the brightness level near to 20% I did see the Black Crush issue. At the brightness level near to 40%, I saw 80% improvement. Above 60% I was able to enjoy the Netflix movie without any Black Crush issue. But yes, I did see the red layer similar to YouTube, which tells us that Asus have added a workaround to this. I also feel this issue is device specific. Even though I am saying this, it might happen that you may or may not see this issue with your device. Since the issue was not seen on YouTube and Prime Video and was bad on Hotstar, makes me wonder if this issue can be fixed with an update. Not completely, but it can be made better is what I think, and I hope Asus will soon release an update for this. The display can't be fixed now, but yes, it can be made better by proper screen calibration while using certain application. As of today, Asus has released 2 updates. Let me clear out that this is just my thinking and I might be wrong as well. From what I observed, I conveyed the message, and if you feel whatever the information I am giving in this video is pointing something else, feel free to comment below. Also, if you want to add some points if you own this phone, do comment below so that it will be helpful to others. I did not see the Black Crush issue while playing games, and since we always play games at near about 70 to 80% brightness, we can say that we are sure we won't be seeing this. Out of the 3 applications, the issue was less on Prime Video, it was kind of okay on Netflix, and it was bad on Hotstar. On YouTube, I would say it was near to 0. There are some other issues with the phone which are probably minor or ignorable, or those can be fixed with a software update. There is nothing wrong with this phone apart from this Black Crush issue. I think I have given you enough details for you to make a decision of buying this phone or not, because 50k is a big amount. Hopefully this video has helped you make that decision. Let me also tell you that I am seriously proud of this phone. The display is top class. If you ignore the Black Crush issue, this is probably one of the best 1080 pixels display out there. This is something which I said in my previous video also. The phones which are not yet manufactured, they might have the issue fixed, and I am not confirming here, but this may or may not happen. Do let me know in comments if you have any more questions, and I will try my best to answer them. You will surely get a reply from me. Thanks for watching and have a great day.